Loves Sims.
Hi guys, this is MTP Tech, and today I got some gift from Santa. So let's see what we have. Actually, we get a case from NZXT, and that is going to be H5 Flow RGB compact ATX mid-tower airflow case with RGB fans. So pretty much, actually, this is kind of fake, because as we see, we have an AIO cooler, 320mm fans on the radiator, and actual recommended way of mounting it on the H5 Flow RGB case is actually faulty, and nobody recommends to mount it like this. And in this picture we see one F120Q RGB fan, which is not included in this case, and we have two F240 core NZXT fans also, and that is also not in this case. So we're gonna open up the case itself, but it's definitely not like this. What's in this case is just here we have this is 240mm RGB core fan with the RGB. It's going to be here intake with 360mm. So that's that. Okay, let's try to dig into this and see what's inside. Okay, it's going to be a little harder this time, because it's a big case, but I guess after we take it out, then it should be a little simpler. Opa. Hop. Yeah. Let's go here, and then let's open it like this. Yeah. Opa. And opa. Okay. Let's see what do we have here. Ooh. Okay. Okay. So the case is a little smaller. Okay. Let's turn that upside down. Turn that upside down. Oh, it's kind of heavy though. Works. Voila. Let's see into the bag itself. This bag is too big for my little studio. There's nothing inside. Okay, let's put it to the side. Let's give the box to my daughter. I think the daughter could fit into that case. Anyways, let's proceed with unboxing. Maybe let's raise the camera a little bit, because it's, yeah, like this. We'll see. Yeah, let's take out the front. Okay. Nothing, pretty much. Just the packaging. And let's take out the top. Yeah, that's going to be top. Let's take out the top. We have some papers, but I think that's the guarantee or something, warranty. Yeah. Put that part there. Look at this beauty. Come on, come on. Now, what do we have here? We have some papers. Is it going to be startup guide or something? I think all the screws is going to be inside of the case though. I never had a case which is that many ports. Okay, the cable connectors is the 3.2 type C for the front, 3.2 type A, HD audio, some screws. Okay, I think we're gonna still use this guide when I get more parts, because this is not only the unboxing, this is also the new start for the new build. that I'm gonna do in a couple of upcoming months. That's going to be interesting progression, because each month I'm gonna get something from the build, and I am going to do the build step by step. So that's pretty much. Oh yeah, that's the warranty. And now let's open the case itself. Yeah. I see the mesh. I see the mesh right here. That should look tremendously good. Yeah. Lovely, lovely. This is actually tempered glass. Not some plastic thing. It's a tempered glass. And you see, ooh, take a look at this. Damn, and we can see that, okay. I think it just takes it out. Yeah, takes out like this. Hop. Put that to the side. At least for a few moments. And then later we're gonna put it back. Now, we're gonna see how it looks here. As we see, this is the mesh. Now I was talking about, you see, this is angled mesh. That should pull air so good, because here I'm gonna put a 240 millimeters fan, RGB fan here. And then here I'm gonna put 240 millimeters NZXT Kraken RGB Elite AIO CPU cooler. Then here, going to be the same RGB 360 core cooler. So this system should be, in theory, cooled quite nicely. Now, on top we have power on, USB-A 3.2, USB-C 3.2, and the auxiliary headphone jack. On the back, we have one simple intake fan. Here's the part for the power supply unit. What do we have right here? Oh, it's stuck. Nice. So, what do we have here? I think we have screws right here. H5 Flow series. Screws. Nice, look at this. How many little screws, the zip ties, and everything marked and put into the, I should say, like a condom case. And here's the zip ties. Cool, nice. It's going to be way easier to organize them this way. Nice. And the last part is to see how the AIO looks. I mean, no, the front panel connector, sorry. Yeah. It's going to be... And one more connector I want to see is the backside connector. Oh, so it's that easily. It turns out the front comes out very easily. Nice one. So this is the HD audio. This is the, I don't know what that is actually. This connector, I don't know what that is. This is the, yeah, that is the HD audio. That's USB. Oh, maybe that's USB-C. And this is the the 3 fan connectors. And it has very interesting. It has 8-pin. I guess this is the 8-pin. This is the 8-pin NZXT connector. And these are the ordinary. Oh, this is the, I guess, RGB connector, and this is the ordinary 3-pin fan connector. I think I need to read about how to connect them, and will the 8-pin be sufficiently enough just to connect that one, or do we need to connect 3 of those? You know, does this needs to be connected? Well, interesting. This is a very strange connector. I never saw this connector anytime. But yeah, we need to figure it out, I guess, later. Now let's just put it into the bag and close it for the next step of the build, because soon we're gonna have the next steps. Well, it should arrive starting from January 8th. That's going to be Mobo, and on the January 18th should be the fan, and should the F240 RGB core fan from NZXT, and the AIO. Other than that, we need to wait for those things longer. Now, let's see how the front takes out. You see, it's just boom, snaps out quickly, and look at his beauty. Damn, it really looks good. The front, and it's RGB. Then you're gonna choose the color. This build, I think, going to depend very much on the GPU and on the new GPU prices when they gonna come out. But starting from this, I like this. Oh, it slides. Sorry guys, I'm just stupid. Yeah, so this part just slides. And that's where we're gonna put our AIO, 240 millimeters. Well, and that concludes our unboxing. Thank you for being today with me. Today, Adelina helped me to unbox this. Yeah, so as I told you before, this is going to be kind of longer build. I'm starting it now, but it should end up in 8 months. My plan for this build is pretty much quite simple. B650 full-size M8X motherboard, F360 RGB core in the front. Here is going to be F240 RGB core. Here on top is going to be the Kraken 240 Elite RGB, the new version from 2024 with the new pump. I'm gonna leave this fan just for the functionality, and that's it. Just for taking out there. Then I'm gonna put Ryzen 7 9800X3D there, and for the graphics card, I'm aiming for the 5090 when it gonna come out. Not like just straight. I think I'm gonna buy CPU before I'm gonna buy GPU, and those are gonna be 2 last components that I'm gonna put to the system. So this is the start. So thank you for watching this. Please comment if you have any questions. Press like on this video so my video is gonna come up more. And just Happy New Year. Bye.